Meaning of electron microscope.
Electron microscope.
Electron microscope.
Electron microscope.
Electron microscope. An electron microscope is a type of microscope that uses beams of electrons to create detailed images of tiny objects at extremely high magnifications. Unlike traditional microscopes, which use beams of light, electron microscopes use electron beams to produce images with much greater resolution and clarity. This allows researchers to study the structures of biological and other materials at the atomic level. Electron microscopes have revolutionized our understanding of the microscopic world, providing a powerful tool for scientists in a range of fields, from biology to materials science.